Hi friends, this is Udyog Prerna YouTube channel. I Atul Madikar welcome to you all. In this presentation, I am giving some insight on the basic concept of entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is the main property of a human being which intend to do any person something special with calculated risk and for his or her own satisfaction. If we study this entrepreneur word, this word is a combination of, or the word is derived from the French word entre, means contractor. Long back, that is 100 years back, French colonies are there in many parts of the globe, and the main administration was conducted from Paris, that is capital of France. Any decision taken in Paris should be disseminated to the colonies through some special persons who are basically messengers. And while disseminating this message to the colonies, they have to face many challenges. They have to pass through sea and all that. So that's why those are called as antra. And for entrepreneur, the oldest language on the earth is Sanskrit. In Sanskrit, there is a parallel word this to entrepreneur is antah prerita. Antah prerit means self-inspired. Any person who is self-inspired is known as entrepreneur. Nowadays, from entrepreneur, we are using the term entrepreneurship. This is a property which we have to enhance in the youths and in any mankind, with the help of which he or she can go for self-employment or enterprise instead of begging jobs. On the background of COVID, if we see the global conditions, even in America or UK or France, more than 30% jobs are already evaporated or vanished. Still, the possibilities are there to lose the jobs. So, what will do these all jobless people? Their empty minds may go destructive, and that will be a trouble to the society. So, the best tool to control this unemployment is entrepreneurship. This is the only solution with the help of which we can control this unemployment ghost, which may affect the social engineering. So, what is entrepreneurship? To understand basic entrepreneurship, you have to know 3 to 4 major points in you. Number one, first finalize your own goal, which may short term up to 1 year and long term 3 to 5 years. So first, your goal should be cleared, goal should be finalized. Number two, you must have to increase the ability to take calculated risks. The ability to take calculated risk is always push this person to entrepreneurship. Number three, you have to develop the ability to develop the team, and try to work in a team. Number 4, you must be good motivator. Number 5, you have to take some pause and take the feedback of your journey for last 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. That is, you have to take reviews, and what you decided on, what you achieved, you have to analyze both the targets and the facts. Number 6, you should have to accept, ready to accept the defeat. Many people are fear with the defeat. In entrepreneurship, victory and defeat are part of game. So you must have to try to digest the defeat. That defeat will teach you your lacunas, your weaknesses, and you have to strengthen. Number 7, you have to do the SWOT analysis: strength, weakness, opportunity, threat. And next, you should have strong desire to make good profit with ethical and legal means. So these are the important main characteristics for entrepreneurship. You can check inside. We will see the basic motivations and entrepreneurship, how to develop the entrepreneurship and enterprise in our part 2. Thanks. Jai Hind.